Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm with Paul today, so we are making another grilling video. And I'm super excited to do this one because it's gonna be so easy. And let's get started. Paul, do you wanna tell them what we're making?
We're making pizzas on the grill.
Pizzas on the grill. Let us know in the comments if you've made pizzas before. What we did was I just went to the store and bought these like rolls. So they're gonna be little pizzas, like little pan pizzas, but I think they're more like a slice. So we can have multiples. So we're just gonna have like just a lot of different options. And for Paul, we got
Gluten-free crust.
Gluten-free crust, so he has a couple. He's thrilled. So what we're doing now is just prepping everything. So I'll show you right behind me. I have some sauce boiling, and I'll tell you why. And Paul is getting ready to prep and cook some veggies. So I am just bringing this up to a boil, letting it go for a little while so that the sauce doesn't get runny on the pizza. You don't have to do this, but it's just one of those things that helps keep the sauce nicely on the dough. So that's going, and you can see I've started rolling out some of these these rolls, and I'm just gonna put them on pizza pans that we have and put them on the grill. Definitely can't forget our fruits. We love having fruit on Sundays because it's just such a good finger food that the kids can go and get from the refrigerator all day long, or at least for one meal. So while I was rolling out, I thought I'd get the ones that were in the bag, and they went whoop. So looks like we are making some bread with these ones. That's okay. That'll be so good for the kids. So all I'm doing is easy peasy rolling them out. I should put something under that, huh? I know somebody I'll get comments, and thank you, I will. And then I'm just going to put it on here. So easy, so easy. All right, we got Paul sauteing. Those look really good. I know you like those.
I do.
Yeah. What are you gonna put with it? You're not gonna do spaghetti sauce, right?
Yeah, I don't know. In the last few years, I've liked the barbecue chicken pizza a lot more than the regular pizza, and I think we've talked about it before. How the pizza sauce, I get canker sores eating a lot of it.
Yes.
So I'll do the barbecue chicken, or it's actually gonna be barbecue Canadian bacon pizza.
It'll be great.
Yeah, and on the gluten-free crust, I had a burrito on vacation, and man, I was miserable that night I ate the burrito.
I'm sure it tasted delicious.
The burrito was good. The afterthought was.
So he does have a sensitivity to gluten. Maybe that was also because we got so sunburnt that you were also so miserable.
I've had a lot worse sunburns than this one is. It's not that bad, but the gluten tore me up.
I also had a viewer friend leave a comment when we first started doing some of these grilling videos and asked if I've ever made chocolate chip cookies on the grill. So no was the answer until today. So I'm gonna show you really quickly that I made my own, and I'll try to link the recipe if I can find it, or I'll try to put it in the description box somehow, but delicious. I might even just take a picture of the recipe, put it at the end of the video, but it's called the chocolate chip cookie. I mean, come on, that's probably like the best. So we're gonna put those on the Traeger grill and let them cook, but I can't wait to make ice cream sundaes out of those. So let's keep going, and I'll show you how I made that recipe. So see how I cooked it down and it's kind of got like a thicker consistency. It probably shrank by or evaporated a little bit by maybe a quarter or about a third of the jar. So now it's ready to put on these little pizzas. So we have here some cheese, and I love pineapple and Canadian bacon. We do have some Italian blend cheese, and look at these tiny little pepperoni. So I'm just going to be making a bunch of different kinds for the kids because really they really do like just cheese. So let's get started. Here's our first batch. We're just going to put those on the grill. Paul's already putting his gluten-free ones out there, so can't wait to eat. All right, so Paul's just trying to figure it out. Do you want me to hold that? Okay, you got your table. So Paul's gluten-free ones won't take too long because the crust is pretty much done. It's just kind of get a little melted down on top on the stuff. But that's going to give a really good flavor to it.
I need my pizza peel.
Done ones over there. Okay, that's great. It won't take too long, right?
Should be done pretty quick.
These are looking so good. So what Paul did is kind of put the pan on the grill just to give it a little bit of a bottom, just to get an original crust, so to say. Then he takes them off and puts them directly on the grill. So let's take a look at the bottoms. So they're not too bad. So not too crispy, I mean, but those are his gluten-free ones, and we're almost done. So here is my cookie log, like I'm ready to bake it. So I thought I'd do a little experiment. I'll cut it in half, put half in the oven, the conventional oven, and then put the other half on the grill. And then we'll do a little taste test and see if it tastes different, if it's better on the grill, but I'm excited to try them both ways. So I have these ready to go, 350 for about 10 minutes, and I have another pan right behind me, right there, and I'm gonna give those to Paul. So Paul's just taking off the last of the pizzas. Yes, he's been out here for a little while. His face is a little bit red because it's super hot out here, but we're almost ready to eat lunch. These are actually the leftover kind of ones that I had anyways. And did you see those? Quickly, I had those cookie doughs in there for about 10 minutes, and I have them in the oven as well. So, yum. You ready to eat?
Yep.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, we're all ready to eat. Just some pizza and some fruit, and let's go. I'm hungry. So the reason we decided to do pizza was because it's our son's 17th birthday. So happy birthday to Kobe.
Happy birthday, Kobe!
Whoa, yes. So he is 17 and his favorite thing is pizza. And so what do you think? Is it pretty hard to do the grill with the pizzas?
No, if you're doing a lot of them, it's harder because you have to keep opening and closing it. It changes the temperature in the grill, which you want it to be consistent. So if you're doing a few, it's not too bad, but a lot is kind of a pain.
So do you think it's easier to do them as smaller pizzas, or do you think like a regular size pizza would work?
Or calling Domino's. No, no, it's I would say doing a regular size pizza might be easier.
A regular size. So just something to think about. We wanted to just make smaller pizzas because we weren't sure if that was going to be best or not, but I think the next time we'll just make them bigger. So let's eat. How is it, Jonas? Good. Good? Happy birthday, Kobe.
Thank you.
And Dad's gluten-free. Oh my goodness. Those ones just came out of the oven, so we're going to let them cool down, and then we'll wait for the ones that are going to come off the Traeger, and yay, we get to have a little bit of each. Can you tell the difference? No. These ones came off of the grill. The only thing I can say that it might be is a little bit like crispier underneath, but I'm thinking they look very similar, so can't wait to try them. So I'm gonna try these. I'm gonna take one for the team for Paul and I, because you know he's not doing any gluten. So here I go. Okay, that's from the oven. Very good. From the Traeger, pretty similar. In fact, I can't tell the difference. Let's see what the boys think. We're gonna let Jonas try it. I'm letting him have mine. Okay, so that's from the oven. Give me. And that's from the Traeger.
Yeah, that one. I do one better.
Oh, from the grill. All right. Ezra, what you just got one from the oven. Is it good? All right, that's probably what he'll do because he can't have more than one. It's a little too much for him. Now, we are doing this for Kobe's birthday, so it's special.
Happy birthday, Kobe!
Yes!
Happy birthday,
So
Kobe!
he is 17 years old, and he will be a senior in high school in the fall. And he's just growing up. He's just grown up to be he's just a good guy, wonderful man, and it'll be exciting to see what his future brings. And as we watch him grow and continue, he's doing awesome. We love him very much.
Thank you guys for watching and learning the diversity of the grill. It's so awesome.
We do like doing lots of different things on the grill, and baking pizzas was super easy. So I'm sure there are many recipes online to make your own crust, but if you're just gonna go the easy route, some ranch, or the Rhodes Ranch rolls, totally easy. So we're so glad that you stopped by today. Give this video a thumbs up. Give Kobe lots of happy birthday wishes. That would be so awesome. And stick around.
You just never know
What we'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.